Hi, this is a demo on how to add an Allen Bradley PLC in PLC Echo. PLC Echo is a desktop and a mobile applications that monitor tags from a PLC and also write to these tags. Okay, let's select Rockwell from the main menu. I then will navigate to the MicroLogix tab. I click on Add Controller. I'll put in the controller name, Mixin. I enter the description of the controller, Mixin. I also enter the IP address 192.168.127.111. The rest can stay as is. I click on Save. The controller is now displayed on the list of the MicroLogix 1100 tab. To the right of this display, I click on Tags. Then I click on Add Tag. I enter the tag address. In this case, it will be N7. I enter the description of this tag, which is tank level set point. The data type, I select integer. The scaling will start a minimum of 0 and a maximum of 10,000. This is 10,000 liters. I then enter the units, which is liters. I click Save. I add another tag. I enter the tag address N71. The description is tank level actual. This is the actual tank level. Again, I select integer as the type and 10,000 as the maximum, and the units liters. So now we have our two tags. Let's go back to the controller and make some observations. If you look at the tab at the top in red, it tells you have one controller configured of type MicroLogix. And that MicroLogix that we just configured has got two tags. So now let's go back to the main menu and click Monitor Control. We can see that our two tags we just configured are displayed in the combo box. So let's select both of them. We now see that we have two gauges that will show us the two tags that we have just configured. Let's click Start. Now, PLC Echo is going to the network, and as you can see, it starts to display N70, which is the set point value. Okay, so you can see the actual value N71 is actually changing, but N70, which is the set point, is not changing. Let's write a value to the set point. At the moment, it's 2,000 liters. Let's make it 5,000 liters. And we go Enter, and you can see it changed to 5,000. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to trend the set point against the actual. We'll go back to the main menu, select Single Trend, and click Start. You can see N70 is the set point, N71 is the actual. You can see the set point against the actual, which is very useful to monitor PLC controls.